Do you ever feel achy? Do you ever feel sore? This is what has been happening to me over the many years, where at some point during the week, I'll feel aches in my legs, my back, my shoulders. And as someone who's been doing yoga for a long time, I finally found what's truly helped me along my journey to feel more at ease on a daily basis. And that is doing yoga, but not just doing yoga once a week, not twice a week, but doing yoga every single day. And that's what I've been doing recently. I wake up in the morning and I do 20 minutes of hatha yoga, hatha meaning sun and moon. And they have a philosophy in hatha yoga that to be healthy, your spine has to be healthy. And I've been doing this 20-minute yoga sequence. I can leave you a link in the description section to go to the YouTube channel. And it's been absolutely amazing. Last week I did 7 days in a row. And instead of an accumulation of tension throughout the week that is relieved every time I go to a yoga class, etc., by doing it every single day, I feel an accumulation of relief. An accumulation of relief. My joints feel better. I feel better. I feel more at ease. And because yoga is also training your mind, your mental focus, I feel a lot more peaceful, a lot more calm, a lot more present to the moment. So this is something that's helped me along my journey, and I'm just sharing that with you. I'm in love with yoga. I love doing yoga. And now that I do yoga daily, I truly see the amazing benefits yoga can have, not just to your mind, but to your body. So thank you very much for watching this video. Peace, love, and veganism.